I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a tax certificate on e-filing. First, we'll cover what a tax certificate is and its importance for various financial dealings. Then, we'll go over the necessary documents you'll need to gather before you begin. After that, I'll walk you through the entire e-filing process, making it simple and straightforward. Finally, you'll learn how to easily download and verify your certificate, ensuring its authenticity and proper use. Before you start, it's crucial to have everything in order. Make sure your tax identification number is readily available. You'll also need to gather any relevant financial statements or supporting documents that might be requested during the application. Once prepared, navigate to the official e-filing portal and log in using your registered username and password. Always take a moment to verify your account details to ensure you are in the correct profile. Once logged in, navigate through the portal to find the section dedicated to tax certificates or request certificate. This is usually found under a Services or Applications menu. Carefully select the precise type of tax certificate you need, as there might be several options. Proceed to fill out the online form with all the required information, ensuring every detail is accurate. Before clicking Submit, take a few minutes to meticulously review your entire application for any errors. After submitting your application, allow a few business days for processing. You can typically check the status of your application directly on the e-filing portal. Once your request is approved, you will be able to securely download your digital tax certificate. Many platforms offer a verification tool. Use this to confirm the certificate's authenticity. Finally, remember to save a copy of your certificate in a safe place for your records and any future requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.